If you run a truck in the UK right now, there's a silent cost draining your profits, and it's not diesel. In 2026, repair and maintenance bills are rising so fast that some operators are barely breaking even. And if you're an owner-driver, this could decide whether you survive the year. Industry data from RHA, ON's transport indices, and sector cost trackers shows non-fuel operating costs have continued rising through 2025 into 2026. Recent increases across key categories. Even though diesel prices have stabilized compared to previous peaks, non-fuel costs, especially maintenance, parts and labor, are rising faster than general inflation in many cases. For many operators, rate increases have not fully kept pace with these cost pressures. Small hauliers don't have the buying power of large fleets. They often pay higher unit prices for parts, labor, workshop time, emergency call-outs. They also lack bulk purchasing discounts and national service agreements. When repair invoices rise close to double digits year on year, that hits cash flow immediately. One unexpected workshop bill can wipe out a week's profit, sometimes more, particularly in single truck or two truck operations. For independent owner-drivers, every repair comes directly out of your pocket. Average HGV repair invoices for common mechanical jobs have risen significantly in the past 2 years due to higher labor rates, supply chain costs for parts, more complex vehicle technology. Typical major repair examples: engine rebuilds, £8,000 to £15,000 plus gearbox replacements, £4,000 to £10,000 cylinder head repairs, £3,000 to £8,000. Even mid-range repair jobs that previously cost around £1,500 can now approach £1,800 to £2,000 depending on labor and parts. And when the truck is off the road, income stops, but finance payments and insurance continue. Profits in 2026, margins are tight. UK haulage has historically operated on thin margins. Recent industry reporting indicates many operators are working on net profit margins in the low single digits, often around 2 to 4% pre-tax, depending on contract mix and efficiency. That means there is very little buffer. A single major repair or delayed payment can push a business from profit into loss within weeks. Small fleet operators, stuck in the middle. Fleets running roughly 5 to 30 vehicles face a difficult balance. They are too large to operate informally, too small to secure the strongest supplier leverage. At the same time, they face rising maintenance inflation, higher insurance renewals, flat or highly competitive contract rates. Without tight cost tracking and preventative maintenance planning, profits can erode quickly. Aspiring transport entrepreneurs, think carefully. If you're thinking of starting a haulage business in 2026 without significant financial reserves, be cautious. Older trucks may appear cheaper upfront, but older vehicles typically carry higher breakdown risk, greater parts replacement frequency, increased downtime. Skilled HGV technicians are in short supply in many regions, pushing labor rates higher. Saving money on purchase price can quickly be offset by rising maintenance exposure. The bigger industry shift. The cost structure of UK haulage shows a key trend. Fuel is no longer the only dominant volatility factor. Approximate cost breakdown for many operators: driver wages and employment costs, approximately 30% plus fuel, approximately 20 to 25% variable, maintenance and tires, approximately 8 to 12% insurance, tax, overheads and finance, remainder. Even when diesel prices ease, total operating costs often do not fall proportionally, because maintenance, labor and compliance costs continue climbing. This is not a short-term spike. It reflects structural cost pressure in the sector. Final verdict: what you must do in 2026. The UK trucking industry is not collapsing, but it is evolving fast. Survival now depends on strong preventative maintenance planning, building reliable workshop relationships, smarter parts procurement, careful cash flow forecasting, insurance strategy reviews, monitoring cost per mile consistently. Operators who actively manage cost categories can still remain profitable. Those who ignore maintenance inflation and thin margins risk being caught out by a single unexpected bill. If you're a haulier, owner-driver or planning to enter the industry, identify your biggest cost pressure now, before it becomes your biggest mistake.